Welcome to the Boiler Tube Slot Canyon art installation in Page, Arizona. When the old coal-fired Navajo generating station power plant was being decommissioned, some of the old 25-foot reheating tubes were removed, painted, and installed to look like the nearby Antelope Canyon. The power plant had been in operation for over 40 years and provided electricity to many communities in addition to Page. The art installation is adjacent to Page's City Hall and is easily visited. Page is famous for tourism, with so many incredible nearby sights to see: Lake Powell, the Glen Canyon Dam, Horseshoe Bend, and of course, Antelope Canyon. And if you're looking for camping nearby, check out our video on Beehive Campground.